Hillbilly Nitro. Here we are, guys, back with another episode, The Walk and Talk, number 41. We're getting on up there in the numbers. Alright guys, here's the video from their shipment that we had come in from yesterday. I still don't know what this knife is. I have not looked at it. I really wanted to last night, but I saved the surprise for us both. So we're about to find out what it is. I don't have a clue what it is. Let's see. Lick Creek Barlow 14, number 14, 2016 production. Cool. What is that? A yellow heartwood. There's a first. Never seen any of that before. So let's get to this, guys. It's Sunday and it's starting to get. We're getting some rain here in East Tennessee from the Hurricane Florence. We're getting some of the the far end of that coming in. East Coast is about 400 miles from Knoxville, so we're getting a little bit of rain, so I figured I'd get to this before it starts. Here we go, guys. If you'd like to help support the channel, please take a look at the link in the comments, and you would be greatly appreciated. All funds go right back into the channel. Big shout out to our buddy for sending these in for us to take a look at. And here's another thing, guys. He says stay tuned for the next box he's got coming. He says if I like this one, check out what he's got coming in next. So we may have some more surprises coming in. Like I said, I told him not to tell me what's in there, just surprise me. So we'll be surprised together. Here we go. Wow. Oh man, this is a TC. Wow. Check that out, guys. We finally got a TC on the channel. Is that great or what? Wow. I'm shocked. I wasn't expecting that. I mean, does it? And no TC on the cap, so I had no idea. Does it say it on the tube here? I wasn't even paying attention, really. No. Well, yeah, right there, special factory order. Should pay more attention. Here we go, guys. Let's check her out. That feels good. It's light, but it feels great. Super, just slick. Probably a 5.5. I'm gonna pull. You see, it don't take much there for me to push that. First production run. Pattern Premier production. I believe that's how that goes. I don't know if that's the correct order. Pattern Premier, though. TC Barlow, number 14, 2016 production. Yellow heartwood. Check that out. Let's get up close to it. There's some nice fiber in there. It almost looks like micarta there for a little bit there. That's nice. I really like that. Man, he has some great knives. Number 85. Do I need to even say anything? And I tell you guys, I really like that saber grind on there. There's some people that would rather have the flat grind, which, you know, I can see. I like the flat grind. But I like that saber grind. Just like the Northwoods knives. I like that. I really like that. Done a little polishing on there this morning. Polished those bolsters up a little bit. Look at that, a TC. We finally got a TC on the channel. Let's check that centering out. Perfection. What a great knife. Very nice. I'd say if, I'm not suggesting this in any way or anything, but if a man wanted to, you could make this your own knife, because you could probably dye that wood any color you wanted. I wouldn't do that, but a man could do it. Very nice. Check that out. Let's check that. Genuine Barlow. Lick Creek. That is a nice little 14 right there. Some people give these 14s a little hard time because they're small, but I like them. I love the case peanut. I'm a fan of the case peanut knife. It's just, it's preference, whatever you like, really, I guess. May not be the greatest for an EDC, but I'm sure there's many people out there carrying one of these in their pocket every day for an EDC. I wouldn't have no issue with it. Nice brushed satin finish there. Very nice. Just a great knife. Look at that. Man, I'm glad I saved this for today. I didn't know what it was going to be, but I'm glad I waited. I'm glad I didn't take a peek at it. Very nice. Take a shot every time Keith says very nice, or Hillbilly. Take a shot every time Hillbilly says very nice. Well, I guess that's going to wrap our Sunday video up. And stay tuned for more knives, because we have them coming in. Going to try to do some RC videos for my RC folks that are probably watching this. And it's hard to do good RC videos with this camera that I have. I just have issues with focus and everything, and I don't want to put out junk. My videos are bad enough as it is, but I'm going to try to do some other stuff. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a great Sunday, and we'll catch you on the next one. Stay tuned, guys. More to come. We're going to put this one in, and we're going to file this one, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Hillbilly is over and out of here. Peace.